It's never too late. And if you got to go down the path of TRT and you got to go down with the prescription therapy, that's an option too. So just keep that in the back of your mind. And it can have a lot of benefits, guys. Like people like brain fog is one of the biggest things. There was a carpenter friend of mine that's a little bit older, 60s. And he was suffering from anxiety, depression, brain fog. Like seriously, couldn't even get his thoughts right. Extremely skilled carpenter.
I'm glad you mentioned brain fog. Because
brain fog is such an important one on the TRT, on the test side of things, because it really interferes with cognition, having low T levels. And then again, that nasty, what do you call it, cycle, but that nasty cycle, vicious cycle you get stuck in, man, it only goes down and down and down. And men just chalk it up to this. Well, that's part of aging. That's what I am. That's what it is.
Or men think, like you said, men don't go running for help because is it a macho thing?
It could be, of course, macho and ego for sure. Yeah, I think there's a lot of that. And
I feel like women, something's off.
But you'll also notice more emotional fluctuations too, though, when their hormones are out of balance. So at some point, they're going to get a little bit more emotionally fragile and like, I need help. Like, so that's what happened to this guy, man. Right. He did have to go on TRT though. He went on TRT, but it fix it vanished. His anxiety, his depression, the whole thing just kind of went away. Unbelievable.